Good morning. Today we're going to talk about WordPress, a WordPress blog, which is on lovejutsu.com, located at lovejutsu.com. This website as a link. So I'm just going to go straight to the blog. You have top navigation. Well, you have a really top navigation up there. You have side nav. This custom design focuses on one side nav and the main content area for your blogs. So we're gonna go in and walk you through the control panel really quickly. So this is what a typical WordPress control panel looks like. This has been heavily customized as well. So let's log you right in as the admin, and I am going to show you today how to use basic features on your dashboard within the LoveJutsu WordPress blog environment. So at a glance, you see you have one post, which is the demo post, which is on your website. Um, it's broken down into really simple places, really. I mean, you have your link section. This controls those links at the bottom. You can delete a link, you can edit a link very easily. um, Posts, this section allows the admin to add a new post or update or maintain current posts on his website. As you can see, we have hello world, welcome to WordPress. This is your first post. This is a default post by WordPress, which is right there. If I were to click on edit, I can, let's wait for the page to load. Any day now, it's gonna make it, and there it goes. So welcome to WordPress is your first blog. If I were to replace that with uh, this is the first, my typing sucks today, first blog on lovejutsu.com, com all, com one dot. Okay. um, Welcome to my first blog. Excerpts are RSS feeds dished out to people feeding off of your website. They can get a bit of this. You can copy that and stick that on there as well. This website has a plugin for SEO content. So for every blog or post we put on, we want to have a nice little title, a description. This is just an example. Great for SEO. Lets the search engines know what to read behind the scenes. Keywords. First blog, you separate every keyword by commas, so I can slap on another keyword. Love Jutsu blog. That. And we're done. It's in a uncategorized category. Update post. Says post has been updated. If I were to come here and I refreshed our page, you notice hello world has changed to my first blog, and that updated pretty easily. On here we have uncategorized as a category, so we want to change our category. You notice within our um, post right there, you have category right there, that's uncategorized. We can click on that to edit, and we can name this something else. Maybe martial arts, right? Would be the name of our category. It has no parent. Description, martial arts, wow, category. And we update this category. Okay, we come back to our post. We want to edit our post. By default, that should be the category. So it should be highlighted, but if it weren't, that's it. But if it weren't, you can actually select other categories to highlight. So now on our main website, if we were to refresh this, you notice that changes to martial arts right now. So very easy. Comments, This section controls comments people post on your website. You can manage that information under general. Here we're saying anyone can register. We're giving them the attribute, I guess the permissions of a contributor, meaning they can register and create blogs, but the admin has to verify every blog and comment. Writing, this section controls, this is a default category, remember, martial arts, 10 lines per box. If you wanted to receive emails and wanted to delete or maintain your blog via that email, you can put that information on here. I don't suggest you do that, it's not 100% secure. Reading information, here we can control what goes on the front page. On the posts page, you have the about information, or post archive, which is a plugin which we have on the front page as well. Talking about pages, we can go into the page section right here. Right now we have two main pages on our website. The about page, like if we come back to our website, click on the about page. This is an example, blah blah blah. We can come back here, we can edit this page pretty easily, and that's your content right there. That's the title of your page. We have our SEO content as well, which we can populate. So literally WordPress is pretty self-explanatory. You don't need this is not brain surgery, or you don't need a brain surgeon to walk you through this. It's pretty simple and straightforward. Everything is subtagged. WordPress is an awesome blogging engine because they make things very, very easy for you. As long as everything is pre-configured, whoever is maintaining this website literally does little or nothing because everything is pre-configured for you. You just have to come here and, these are the main links you probably are going to be on. Main tabs, comments, the pages, the links, and the posts. Everything else, the users breaks it down to users on your website. Right now we only have the admin. When people start registering on your website, you would have more. These are the extra plugins we have, the polls, socialite. It's just a very simple to use blogging script, and it's WordPress. What else should we touch on? Appearance. Um, this breaks it down to um, what you can do on your website, what you can add. That's the sidebar right there. The sidebar, we have the polls on there. We have a little welcome message. All that stuff is run via your website. The sidebar full, we can show that information. There's nothing on there. Sidebar right, nothing on there as well. The polls control right there. All-in-one SEO controls are right on the settings, and this controls keywords on our website. There's a really awesome plugin which is already pre-configured on this website. The tools section pretty much controls Turbo, which is to speed up WordPress, which actually this installs on client side, so this installs on your user's website, on your user's browser or computer. Comments, we've already touched on that. These are comments posted on your website which you have to approve or unapprove as the admin. Pages, links, we've touched on. Media, if you allow people to actually upload videos or pictures onto your website, which we have YouTube and MySpace for that. We don't really need to suck up all the bandwidth, but that's a section you can do that as well. So I hope this gives you like a quick rundown of the WordPress admin section, which breaks everything down pretty easy to use and maintain and manage. Thank you, have a good day.